Hello guys, I'm here at the Glendale Municipal Airport in Glendale. Uh, there's the tower, there are a couple aircrafts over here. I'm going to be taking off on this Cessna 172 SB over here. So let's take a quick look on the airplane over here. Let's do a quick uh, walkthrough on the airplane. So the front looks good. Uh, the props. All right, that looks good. So that's kind of cool. Let's go over there on this side. Just walking slowly on the side so I don't run over. Yep. The flaps look good. All right. So that looks good. That looks good. Yep, those are the elevators over here. Yep. Yep, those look good. All right, props looking good. All right, it's all good. Yep. All right, the airspeed indicator is open. All right. So now we'll hop onto the aircraft and then we'll take her for a flight. Okay, guys, I'm inside the airplane, so let me just lock the door. Okay, someone's probably just landed somewhere. I can hear the sound. Okay, so let's turn the master switch on. You can hear that electrical system buzzing. That's the system booting up. Okay, and then let me make sure everything is clear outside here. Everything looks clear, so I'm gonna start the. Let's put the mixture full reach, quarter of throttle. Clear prop. Okay, then it's starting. So avionics on. All right, let me bring the yoke up so you guys can see me. Okay, that's the rudder. Alright, so this is my Xplane, Xplane 11 on the Oculus Rift with Flying-Side XP. It's really cool. It just feels like real. I'm sitting inside a Cessna 172 SP at the Glendale Municipal Airport here in Glendale. So, alright, so I'll show you a quick landing, takeoff and landing on this 172 SP. Here you can see another 172 SP coming in. We'll just follow that guy. Once that passes to us, and then we'll take off. The braking brakes off. Let's go a little forward. Let's wait over here for that guy to go through. Okay, that's gone. Everything's clear. Just follow that guy here. Rudder's a bit touchy. I should probably make some adjustments. maybe slow down a little bit. This is the warm-up area here where you can, you know, just do the ramp up. I'll just follow this guy. This is the line where you hold start for other aircrafts. Go ahead and line up on the runway. Alright, let's take off. That was a quick takeoff for that guy. $60 knots, rotate. We're up in the air. Yep. That's the tower. See that guy over there? That's a 172 SP as well. We'll climb to 2,000 feet. Alright, we're gonna make a right turn here. 30 degrees of bank. That's the 101 loop over there. We're just gonna cross the 101 and make a right turn. That's the loop 101. Over there. Let me bring back the throttle to 2100 RPM, make a nice little right turn over here to the downwind. Now we're pretty much parallel to the runway. You can see the runway on my right. This is the wastegate area. We're just flying over the 101 loop at the moment. You can see down below there, that rounded thing is the Cardinals Stadium here at Glendale. Yep. Alright, so we're up to 2,000 feet. Let me trim down the airplane so it does not climb above that. The end of the runway on the right side, bring her down to 80 knots. Trim the airplane for 80 knots. There you go. Bring the throttle to 1800 RPM. we're gonna make a right turn to the base over there, just a little further, and we'll make a right turn to the base. She's settled for 80 knots. We're losing about 100 feet a minute. Lake house is over there, looks like. Pretty cool. Okay, so now the runway is about 45 degrees, so we're gonna make a right turn here to the base, and I'm gonna pull down a 10 degrees of flap. Okay. There's the runway. We're gonna make another right turn to the final in a bit once we're lined up with the runway. We're gonna try and maintain the descent rate of 500 feet per minute. Trim the airplane for 65 knots. That'll be our approach speed. $70 is fine too. Really? Okay, let's make a right turn here. And I'm gonna also pull that 10 degrees of flap. Okay, we're lined up with the runway. Oh, we're a little too low. If you look at that runway there are some lights, the yellow lights and the red lights. So you gotta maintain, for a good glide slope, you're gonna see 2 red lights and 2 yellow. We're seeing 3 reds at the moment, so we'll just descend a little slower than 500, so we're descending at 200 feet per minute right now, maintaining a speed of let me just put the power a little bit. At this time, I'm gonna pull the final 30 degrees of flap down here. Yep, we're full flaps. Here. Now we're gonna maintain the glide slope here. Try and maintain 500 feet descent. Bring the RPM a little bit down. It's about 1700 RPM. We're a little too high, but that's okay. It's better to be high than to be low and land sort of the runway. If you're too high, you can always go around. We're looking good. Some final, adjustments here. Looking good. I'm gonna try and touch down at the black spot over there right after the piano keys. Alright, there we go. As soon as we cross the threshold, we're at piano keys, we're gonna put out to idle and then let her float. It was a nice touchdown. I hope you guys liked my landing. Right here. My hangar's up south a little bit. So we'll just taxi up to there. That's it, folks. Thank you for watching.